Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop dark chocolate into little chunks or use chocolate chips. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more details. Roughly grind nuts of choice. I've used almonds and walnuts. If you are not a nut person, you may replace them with oatmeal or oats. Grind sweetened biscuits or cookies, then pour melted butter and mix them together to form crumbs. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you love it here. My scale is broken and therefore I was eyeballing the measurements. I had to add some cookies because my dough was wet. Collect the crumbs from the sides of the container. Grease the baking pan with oil, then line it with a non-stick baking paper. Place the crumbs into the pan, spread them, then compact them. You can either use a glass or your hands, like your clean hands. The crumbs were sticky and the glass was not working well. This is where I started using my fingers to compact the crumbs. Let's start layering. Sprinkle and cover the crumbs with desiccated coconut, that is grated coconut. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. I would appreciate that you be the member of the family. Sprinkle the nuts. A big shout out to my returning family members or subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Please let me know in the comment section what would you like me to prepare next time. Follow the nuts with the chocolate bits. Pour the condensed milk. Repeat layering from the coconut except for the condensed milk. Bake for 30 minutes or until it is brown on the edges and cool it at room temperature. Then set it in the fridge for at least an hour with the baking paper removed because it will stick. Once it is set, you may cut pieces from it. I've cut about 16 pieces. Please do not exert pressure as I did. When I was cutting it, it broke. Let me tell you something. This is the snack that you deserve. It was so delicious. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and let me know if you would try this easy recipe. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.